stop scrolling. It's real talk time. Ready, crew? Let's roll! Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto. Anak ng showbiz royalty, Bossing Vic at Mommy Coney. Pero instead of red carpet glamour, binasura niya ang red tape sa public service. Lumaki sa ilaw ng kamera, pero pinili ang ilaw ng kalsada. Literal yan, no filters. Habang ang iba paandar ang drama, siya ang gumawa ng plot twist. Serbisyo, hindi eksena, pinakabatang mayor ng Pasig noong 2019 at unang bumasag sa Eusebio Dynasty na parang lumang telenovela na walang season 2. 6 years later, hindi lang Survivor certified headline. He was one of People Asia magazine's cover subjects for its December 2020 issue. That same year, he was named one of the country's outstanding young men and recognized as a global anti-corruption champion by the U.S. State Department. At sa State of the City, address, 17.2 billion ang revenue growth, 3 billion ang naisave, at kung tatanungin mo si Vico kung paano niya ito ginagawa, sagot niya mismo, stand up, go beyond, and work together. That's his playbook. Walang kapal ng mukha, puro kapit-bisig. Pero ito ang mas malupit. Nang sumubok bumalik ang dating pamilya sa politika sa pangalan ni Sara Diskaya, hindi siya nag-play safe. Diretsong banat, walang takot. Ibinunyag ni Vico ang mga graft cases, dummy firms, at mga discrepancy sa yaman na nag-ugat sa dating administrasyon. May transparency portal na open book ang budget. Public bidding kasama ang NGOs. 1.2 billion ang nasave, 200 million tapat loans para sa maliliit na negosyo. 500 million housing projects para sa low-income families. 25,000 scholars target by 2025. Bagong city library na pang 21st century. Flood control projects that actually work. 24/7 hotline na ugnayan sa Pasig. Direct line kay Mayor mismo. Green transport fleet na may e-buses at solar charging stations. HIV and COVID-free clinics. Noong pandemya, habang ang iba nag-Zoom meeting, si Vico nagpakain, nagpatakbo ng free rides at nagpaikot ng mobile markets. Zero red tape, zero excuses. At gaya ng sabi niya noon, let's not resort to violence. We must fight for accountability and institutional reform. He's the anti-gimmick mayor we need. He's not just a mayor, he's a movement last turn. Nanya bilang mayor, 3 termino, 3 kwento ng pagbabago. Pero ang tanong, dito na ba matatapos ang istorya ni Vico? O handa na ba siyang i-level up ang serbisyo sa buong bansa? Kung ganito ang serbisyo sa Pasig, kaya niya bang iangat ang Pilipinas? Yan ang tunay na kwento. Real Talk with Master G. Stay curious, stay kind. Like, share, subscribe.